On, we'll study in detail about nuclear fusion and nuclear fission. Here we are just relating it with binding energy per nucleon. Well, students, having understood the definition of Q value of a nuclear reaction and how it is defined, there is another equation which we refer it simply as Q equation, and it is of interest and will be going in slightly more detail. Let's understand this Q equation. Q equation is nothing but the analytical relation between kinetic energy of outgoing particle, product particle, with the Q value of a nuclear reaction is simply referred as Q equation. Now we know that the general scheme of any nuclear reaction is simply represented as I plus T, giving us P plus O and Q. Now I and T are representing incoming particle and T as target nucleus respectively. P represents the product nucleus and O represents the outgoing particle. Now let's develop the Q equation. Let's consider we have a target at rest and incoming particle is there, and after collision, that is after nuclear reaction, we get product nucleus and outgoing particle. The angles are marked on the figure, and outgoing particle is going at an angle of theta and product nucleus is going at an angle of phi with respect to original direction of incoming particle. Now we know that in any nuclear reaction, conservation of linear momentum can be applied. Here initial momentum will be equal to final momentum. Now target nucleus, we have taken it at rest and incoming particle is in motion, so we can write momentum of incoming particle will be equal to momentum of outgoing particle and momentum of product nucleus. So we get a momentum when we make substitution, we get the value of Q in terms of kinetic energy of outgoing particle and incoming particle, and this is what we refer it as Q equation. The Q equation is shown on the figure, and we are not supposed to remember. What is important is how this has been arrived. There is a particular case of interest which is found in many of the numerical problems when one of the angle is 90 degree. Let's say theta is 90 degree. So when we make substitution for theta is equal to 90 degree, we get a simpler version of Q equation. Again, I repeat, students, you're not supposed to remember this equation. What is important for us we have to see how we have arrived at this equation, applying conservation of linear momentum and reminding ourselves the definition of Q value in terms of kinetic energy of nucleus involved in nuclear reaction. And again I repeat it, the Q value in terms of kinetic energy is simply kinetic energy of products minus kinetic energy of reactants. When I say product, I mean the product nucleus and the outgoing particle, and reactant I mean incoming particle and the target nucleus.